Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hawkeye in Marvel Rivals. Hawkeye is a master archer, specializing in ranged combat and precision shots. Your primary goal is to deal consistent damage from a safe distance, supporting your team. Focus on hitting critical shots to maximize your impact. Practice your aim to become a formidable force on the battlefield, always keeping an eye on enemy positions and movements. Hawkeye isn't just about basic shots, he has a versatile quiver. His explosive arrow is perfect for dealing damage to multiple enemies or breaking shields. The utility arrow, perhaps a grapple or a stun, allows for quick escapes or setting up plays. Learning when to deploy each arrow type will elevate your gameplay, turning you into a dynamic threat. Think strategically about each shot. Effective positioning is paramount for Hawkeye. Always seek out elevated positions or cover that gives you a clear line of sight while keeping you safe. Work closely with your teammates, call out targets, and focus your fire on high-priority threats. By supporting your frontline heroes and eliminating enemies from a distance, you create crucial opportunities for your team to push forward and secure objectives. Hawkeye's ultimate ability is a game-changer, capable of unleashing a devastating barrage of arrows. Deploy it when enemies are grouped together or contesting an objective to secure multiple eliminations. Remember to always be aware of your surroundings and anticipate enemy movements. With consistent practice and smart decision-making, you'll master Hawkeye and become a true sharpshooter on the battlefield, leading your team to victory.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.